Welcome to Motor Hub. The 2025 Ford Mustang Boss 429 is here, and it's more powerful, more refined, and more thrilling than ever. Ford has once again revived one of its most iconic muscle cars, blending classic muscle with modern technology. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. Under the hood, the heart of the beast is a monstrous 7.0-liter naturally aspirated V8, a tribute to the original Boss 429 from the late 60s. With an estimated output of over 700 horsepower, this machine is built for speed, power, and pure American muscle. The engine is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, giving purists the raw driving experience they crave. But for those who prefer a modern touch, Ford is also offering a 10-speed automatic option, ensuring lightning-fast shifts and optimal performance. Visually, the 2025 Boss 429 is unmistakable. The wide body stance, aggressive front fascia, and signature hood scoop scream performance. The massive air intakes and aerodynamically sculpted bodywork aren't just for looks, they ensure maximum cooling and downforce at high speeds. Sitting on 20-inch forged aluminum wheels wrapped in high-performance tires, this Mustang grips the road with precision and confidence. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit that blends retro cues with state-of-the-art technology. Recaro racing seats provide the perfect balance of comfort and support, keeping you firmly planted during aggressive driving. A digital gauge cluster delivers real-time performance data, while Ford's latest Sync infotainment system keeps you connected with navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. And of course, the push-button start ignites the thunderous V8, reminding you that this car is built for pure driving pleasure. Performance-wise, the Boss 429 is engineered for dominance. The MagneRide suspension system adapts to road conditions in milliseconds, delivering a smooth yet responsive ride. Brembo brakes ensure that all that power is kept under control, providing incredible stopping power when you need it most. The revised chassis and improved aerodynamics mean this Mustang isn't just a straight-line beast, it's built to carve corners with precision. Ford has also incorporated modern safety and driver assist features, making sure that even in a high-powered muscle car, you're protected. Lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and collision warning systems add an extra layer of confidence, whether you're tearing up the track or cruising down the highway. The 2025 Mustang Boss 429 is a true homage to the past while pushing the boundaries of modern performance. It's loud, it's bold, and it's unapologetically American. This is more than just a Mustang, it's a legacy reborn. Are you ready to take the reins of this modern-day muscle icon? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love high-performance machines, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Motor Hub for more exciting content. Stay tuned, and keep the adrenaline pumping.